Exercise 6.3. Second question. Find the sums of the given below. Find the sums of given below. First one, 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus up to so on plus 84. Okay, previously it is given that number of terms is given. Here the last term is given. We need to find the first last term. What is the last term? So which term it is? We need to find out how many terms in this. So solution: A equal to 7, B equal to 10 and a half minus 7, 10 minus 7 3 and half equal to 7 by 2. 10 minus 7 3 half. 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7 half. So last term A n equal to 84. I want to find n first. So A plus n minus 1 of d equal to 84. A value 7 plus n minus 1 of 7 by 2 equal to 84. 7 by 2 of n minus 1 equal to 7 bringing this side. 84 minus 7 equal to 77. N minus 1 equal to 77. 7 by 2 bringing outside 2 by 7. 7 into 1, 7 into 11. So n minus 1 equal to 11 into 2, 22 implies n equal to 23. We got n value. So A equal to 7, n equal to 23, last term n equal to 84. Sn formula: n by 2 of A plus n, 23 by 2 of 7 plus 84. So 23 by 2 into 91. So 91 into 23. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 9 27, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 9 18. 9320. 2093 by 2. So this is the required sum. Next, second one. Second one is 34 plus 32 plus 13 plus up to so on plus 10. So similar to this one, here also we don't know the number of terms. So A equal to 34, B equal to 32 minus 34, which is equal to minus 2. An equal to 10. An equal to 10. An formula: A plus n minus 1 of b equal to 10. A 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 equal to 10. Minus 2 of n minus 1 equal 10 minus 34 minus 24. Minus cancel. N minus 1 equal to minus 24 by 2 minus 2 12. N equal to 30. So we got number of terms. A first term. What is the first term? 34. L last term. Last term is what? 10. Number of terms n equal to 13. So Sn equal to n by 2 of A plus n. N 13 by 2 equal to A 34. L 10. 34 plus 10. So 13 by 2 into 44. 2 into 1, 2 into 22. 13 into 22. So 26, 286. So S13 equal to 286. This is the solution. Next, third one is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 13 plus up to so on minus 230. Similar to this. So this one. First, A equal to minus 5. B equal to A to minus 8 of minus 5. Minus of minus 5. So minus 8 plus 5 equal to minus 5. A equal to minus 5, D equal to minus 5. A n minus 230. N to A plus n minus 1 of D equal to minus 230. A is how much? Minus 5 plus n minus 1 of D minus 3 equal to minus 230. Minus 5 bringing outside minus 3 of n minus 1 equal to plus 5 minus 225. Minus minus cancel. N minus 1 equal to 225 by 3 equal to 75 implies n equal to 75 plus 1 76. Now Sn equal to n by 2 of A plus n. S 76 equal to 76 by 2. First term minus 5. Last term minus 230. So 76 by 2 equal to 38 into minus 235. 235 into 18, 38. 8 into 5, 40. 8 into 3, 24 plus 4, 28. 16, 20. 16 plus 4. 8 into 5, 40. 8 into 3, 24 plus 4, 28. 8 into 2, 16. 18, 1 double 8, 0. Next 3. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 8, 8, 8, 9, 3, 0. 8, 9, 3, 0. So this is the required solution. Okay. Next, question number 3. Third question is, in an AP, first one, given A equal to 5, B equal to 3, A equal to 50, find n and Sn. Find n and Sn. We need to calculate n and Sn. Okay. Solution. A equal to 5, B equal to 3, An equal to 50. So from this An we need to find out n. Later we can easily find Sn. So similar to this one. Okay. A plus n minus 1 of B equal to 50. A 5 plus n minus 1 of B equal to 50. V of n minus 1, 50 minus 5, 45. N minus 1 equal to 45 by 3, 15. N equal to 15 plus 1, 16. Okay. So A equal to 5. N equal last term An 50. N equal to 16. Yes, n equal to n by 2 of A plus n. Yes, 16. 16 by 2 equal to A 5. N 50. 60 by 2 equal to 8 into 50 plus 5, 55. 40. 440. So yes, n which is equal to S16 equal to 440. N value 16, Sn equal to 440. Next, second question. Second question is, given A equal to 7, given A equal to 7, A13 equal to 35. 35. Find D and S13. Find D, comma S13. So A13 given, S13 given, D given. D given. Solution. A equal to 7, A13 equal to 35. A13 formula A plus 12D equal to 35. A plus 12D equal to 35. A value 7 plus 12D equal to 35. 12D equal to 35 minus 12. 35 minus 7 equal to 28. 28 plus 7, 35. So 12D equal to 28. D equal to 28 by 12 equal to 7 by 3. D equal to 7 by 3. Now, S A equal to first one. A equal to 7. L last term 30th term 35. N equal to 30. So formula Sn equal to n by 2 of A plus L. S13 equal to 13 by 2 7 plus 35. 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35 42. 2 into 1 2 into 21. So 13 into 1 30. 30 into 2 26 plus 1 27. So total S13 equal to 273. D equal to 7 by 3. Next, third question. Third question is given A12 equal to 37. Given A12 equal to 37. D equal to 3. D equal to 3. Find A and S12. Find A and S12. We need to find out A and S12. So this is similar to this one. This question and this question is same. Okay, solution. D equal to 3. A12 equal to 37. A12 formula A plus 11D equal to 37. A plus 11 into 3 33 equal to 37 implies A equal to 4. A value 4. 37 minus 33 4. A equal to 4. We need S12. Last term 12th term 37. L equal to 37. Next N equal to 12. So Sn formula n by 2 of A plus L. So S12 equal to 12 by 2 of 4 plus 37. 2 into 1 2 into 6. 6 of 41 equal to 46. So S12 equal to 46 and A equal to 4. Next question. Question number 4. Fourth one is given A3 equal to 15. Given A3 equal to 15. S10 equal to 125. S10 equal to 125. Find D and A. Find D and A. We need to calculate D as well as A. So A3 equal to what? A3 equal to 15. S10 equal to 125. D and A. Okay, solution. A3 equal to 15 implies A plus 2D equal to 15. A plus 2D equal to 15. S10 equal to 125. Sn formula n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 of B. S10 equal to 10 by 2 of 2A plus 10 minus 1 90, which is equal to 125. So 2 into 1 2 into 5 bringing outside 2A plus 90 equal to 125 by 5 25. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Solving equations 1 and 2. I want to solve 1 and 2. So 2A plus 90 equal to 25. 2A plus 90 equal to 25. Double, I want to do double. 2A plus 2 into 2 4D equal to 15 into 2 30. Minus 2A cancel. 90 minus 40 equal to 5D. 25 minus 30 equal to minus 5. D equal to minus 5 by 5 minus 1. D equal to minus 1. And we don't know A. So A plus 2D equal to 15. A plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 15. A minus 2 equal to 15. A equal to 17. A value 17. D value minus 1. Next A10 formula. A plus 90. 17 plus 9 of minus 1. 17 minus 9 equal to 8. So 10th term is 8. Difference D equal to minus 1. we got A also, A equal to 70. So this is the required fifth one, fifth. Given A equal to D equal to 8, Sn equal to 90. Find N and A. Find N and A. Okay, now solution. A equal to 2, D equal to 8, Sn equal to 90. Sn formula n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 of D equal to 90. N by 2 getting 2 bringing outside, n of 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8 equal to 2 into 90, 180. N of 2 into 2, 4, n into 8, 8n minus 8 equal to 180. N 8n, 4 minus 8 minus 4 is equal to 180. 4 common, n of 2n minus 1 equal to 180. 4 bringing outside, n of 2n minus 1 equal to 180 by 4 equal to 45. So n into 2n, 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. 2 into 45, 90. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. 2n comma n minus 5 plus 9 comma n minus 5. So n minus 5 comma 2n plus 9 equal to 0. N minus 5 equal to 0 or 2n plus 9 equal to 0. N equal to 5, n equal to minus 9 by 2. So either n equal to 5 or n equal to minus 9 by 2. N won't be equal to minus 9 by 2 because won't be negative. So n should be equal to positive 5. So n value we got an. An formula a plus n minus 1 of d. A5 equal to a plus 4d. A equal to 2 plus 4 into 8. 2 plus 4 into 8, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. So this is the solution. Next question number 6th one. In this 6th question, given an equal to 4, given an equal to 4, d equal to 2, d equal to 2, Sn equal to minus 14, Sn equal to minus 14. Find n and a. Find n comma a. We need to calculate a value and a value. Okay, solution. An equal to 4, d equal to 2, Sn equal to minus 14. Sn equal to minus 14. So Sn formula n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. So this is Sn formula. An equal to 4. So an a plus n minus 1 of d equal to 4. A plus n minus 1 of d equal to. So a equal to 4. A plus n minus 1 of 2 equal to 4. So a plus n into 2, 2n minus 2 equal to 4. So a equal to 4 minus 2 bringing that side plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 minus 2n. A equal to 2n. So now Sn equal to n by 2, 2 into 6 minus 2n, 2a plus n minus 1 of d equal to 2. This is equal to minus 14. So 2 bringing common, 2 common, here 2, here 2, 2 common. So n by 2 into 2 common, 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 equal to minus 14. 2 cancel. N of 6 minus 1 5 minus 2n plus n minus n equal to minus 14. So 5 into n 5n minus n square plus 14 equal to 0. So minus comma n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. 7 into 2 7 minus 2 n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. n comma n minus 7 plus 2 comma n minus 7 equal to 0. n minus 7 comma n plus 2 equal to 0. So n minus 7 equal to 0 or n plus 2 equal to 0. n equal to 7 comma n equal to minus 2. But n won't be negative. n not equal to minus 2 implies n equal to 7. So a equal to 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14 which is equal to minus 8. Therefore a equal to minus 8, n equal to 7. So this is the required solution. Next, seventh question is given L equal to 28, S equal to 144, L equal to 28, S equal to 144, and there are total 9 terms. Find A. So solution: L equal to 28, S equal to 144, N equal to 9. Total terms is equal to N. So S formula n by 2 of 2a plus a plus n. Here it is L given, that's why I am writing a plus n. Or else 2a plus n minus 1 of d, but we don't know d. So I am taking L, here it is given a plus L. So 144 equal to n value 9 by 2, a we don't know, plus 28. So a plus 28 equal to 144 into 2 by 9. 9 into 1, 9 into 16. A equal to 16 into 2, 32. 28 bringing outside. 32 minus 28 equal to 4. A equal to 4. So this is the solution. Okay, next question number 4. Fourth question is the first and last terms of an AP. The first and last terms of an AP. The first and last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, if the common difference is 9, how many terms are there? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? And what is their sum? Okay, the first and last terms of AB. So 17 is the first term, 350 is the last term. Common difference D equal to 9. We need to find out number of terms and sum. Okay, solution: A equal to 17, L equal to AN equal to 350. Last term, let us consider that is the nth term. We need to find out n. Common difference D equal to 9. A plus n minus 1 of D equal to 350. This is nth term. So A 17 plus n minus 1 of 9 equal to 350. So n minus 1 of 9 equal to 350 minus 17, 333. N n minus 1 equal to 333 by 9. 9 to 3 27 6 63 9 to 7 63 n equal to 38. So we got n value. After getting n value, we need to find out sum. So a equal to 17, a equal to 17, n equal to 350, n equal to 38, n equal to 38. So yes, n equal to n by 2 of a plus n. Yes, 38 equal to 38 by 2 of 17 plus 350. 38 by 2 19 into 367. 19 into 7 133. 19 into 6 19 into 6 114. 114 127 12. 19 into 3 57. 57 plus 12. 57 plus 12 69. 6973. So this is the solution. Next question number 5. Fifth question. If the sum of first 51 terms, if the sum of first 51 terms, if the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are second and third terms are second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. 14 and 18 respectively. So these are 14 and 18 are the second and third terms. We need to find the sum of 51 terms. Yes, 51 we need. So solution: A2 equal to 14, A3 equal to 18, A2 A plus B equal to 14, A plus 2D equal to 18, A plus 2D equal to 18, A plus B equal to 14. Minus minus minus, A cancel. 2D minus B, B equal to 18 minus 4, 14. 4. So A equal to 4, A plus B equal to 14, D value 4, A equal to 10. So A value 10, D value 4, 50, N equal to 50. Sn equal to n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 of D. N 51 by 2. 2 into 2A 20. So this is n 50. Actually 51. 51 times. Yes, 51. So 51 minus 1, 50 into D 4. So 51 by 2 into, this is 200 plus 20, 220, 1, 11 equal to, so 0, 11 into 1, 11, 11 to 5, 55 plus 1, 50, 5, 6, 1, 0. So this is the solution. Next, sixth question. If the sum of first 7, if the sum of first 7 terms, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AB is 49, that of 17 terms, that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first 8 terms. Find the sum of first. Find the sum of first n terms. Find the sum of first n terms. Solution: S7 equal to 49, S17 equal to 289. S7 49, S17 280. Sn formula n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. Sn equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. S7 equal to 7 by 2 of 2a plus 7 minus 1 6d, which is equal to 49. 7 by 2 into 2 common a plus bd, which is equal to 49. 2 cancel, 7 into 1 7 into 7. So a plus bd, which is equal to 7. Equation number 1. Okay, next S17 equal to 17 by 2 of 2a plus 17 minus 1 16d, which is equal to 289. So 2 common, 17 by 2 into 2 of a plus 8d equal to 289. 17 into 1 17 into 17. 2 into 1 2 cancel. So a plus 8d equal to 17. Equation 2. So now solving. A plus 8d equal to 17. A plus bd equal to 7. Minus minus minus. A cancel. 5d equal to 10. D equal to 2. 5d equal to 10. D equal to 2. A plus bd equal to 7. So a plus 3 into 2 6 equal to 7. A equal to 1. So a equal to 1. D equal to 2. So Sn formula n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. This is the Sn formula. Now n by 2 of 2 into 1 2 plus n minus 1 into d 2. N by 2 2 plus n into 2 2n minus 2. 2 2 cancel. N by 2 into 2n. 2 2 cancel. N into n square. Sn equal to n square. So if we substitute n equal to 7, 7 square 49. If we substitute n equal to 17, 17 square equal to 218. So this is the required